Howdy crew. Today I'll be going over the Profax 250 amp MIG gun. Let's get to it. I'm going to go and do an unboxing initial thoughts of the 250 amp MIG gun by Profax. Cheaper alternative to Miller. It still works great. I've heard great things about it. Not like it's a cheaper option by any means, as in quality wise, but cheaper option on the wallet. So I do like that. So safety stuff, let's go dive right on in. I do like how heavy duty these are. They're much better than some of the older ones to go into the Miller suitcase Arc Reach 12. These are heavier duty. They used to be thinner, so I do like all this good stuff. Got our extra cable there for feeler cable. All right. So for the gun itself, I'm really happy getting this one. As you all saw, I did purchase another inner shield gun by mistake. I meant to grab this one, but I actually bought the other Profax one, but I have it as a spare just in case the Bernard gun on the Miller suitcase goes out. So I'm happy with this, and I like the feel of it. I do like that it has a little clip. I do feel the clip could be a little bit bigger for being able to hook onto things, because there's not a whole lot of stuff that's the size of an index finger to hang it on. And if it's metal, then it'd have to be smaller, more like a pinky size. So I would say that if this were a little bit bigger, I don't mean like a huge shield like there would be for inner shield, but when you're doing dual shield or outer shield, you can have something that's a little bit bigger just to clamp onto something. So that's just my personal opinion on that. But everything feels great. Nice big trigger. I do like that. It's not one of those small ones where you have to feel with a glove or just use your middle finger or just your trigger finger, what have you. So I like that it is a nice big one. You can use wherever in your hand. It's pretty much going to grab that trigger. So I do like that. It's nice and compact. It's not one of the overly bulky ones. Everything looks great on it. It feels good. And it does bend, but it doesn't bend too much, so you're not worried about having it pinch. I do like that. Everything looks nice and clean on here. It does have the lining already in there. The other Profax one, the inner shield one, does not have its lining in it. I still have to put that in there, so it's all ready to be used at a moment's notice in case the Bernard gun goes out. But for this one, I am very happy with it. It was, I don't know, $300 and something. So not too bad at all. $378, so close to $400. It was really good. Bought it from MPB Welding Supply when I picked up the Trailblazer in the Miller suitcase Arc Reach 12, and very happy with all things purchased there. And there will be some extra things about some of the consumables for this in another vlog, but I did want to do the unboxing. Everything looks great. I do like checking over everything, and that's what I do in all these vlogs. I check over the entire lead, make sure it's all good, that it's not blemished, something from the manufacturer wasn't right, that the rubber's cracked, the liner's coming out from the middle of the lead. And this is 15-foot lead, so that way I do have a little bit of reach with it, which is nice. So I do want to put that out there. Everything looks great, so I don't have anything else to add to it. It feels great, looks great, and I'm excited to use it in the field. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.